It's a real sad day when a suit gang has to show Northern Cali how to conduct themselves in a professional manner.
I might not like your opinions, but I'm gonna respect it because you a man. Now, if you a bitch, you gonna get in your feelings about my opinions when they're not yours. If you a bitch, it's gonna hurt your feelings on the way that I think because that's a female trait. When I got homeboys that think different from me, I don't automatically say I want to strangle you because you think that way. Nah, bro, that's the way you think, homie. It's all good, dog. We're homies, but that's your way of thinking. I got my own way of thinking, right? Now, a bitch, a female, will cry, complain, be disrespectful because she got to get her way. Because she wants to jump up and down, pout, get angry, yell, scream, all that extra shit, right? That's what a bitch does. That's why you never hear me get mad at anybody for them having their own opinions or their own way of life. That's the beauty of it, bro. That's the beauty of us all being men. That's the beauty of us all being adults. That's the beauty of understanding, bro. I might not like these vatos because they're from Northern Cali, but I respect the hustle. I might not like that color because it represents what it represents for them, but I understand that's where they come from. That's what it is for them, right? I respect it.
Welcome to my channel, where the real ones ride, the fakes hide, and the truth stays alive. Let's lock in, because it's about to get heavy. Let's talk about what a real one from LA looks like. Not just loud, not just active, not just online talking crazy. I'm talking about grown man gangster.
Listen, dog, I don't know if anybody been following me since day one, but one thing I don't do on the internet is represent my gang. Number one, I'm from Earth. And number two, bro, anybody that got a real face, like a real face like that, that's accessible out here, there's no reason for me to like disrespect them and call them out their name on the internet when I could easily get at them behind closed doors. You don't think I could call fat guy right now? You don't think I could get his phone number and tap in with him somehow? Of course I can. So if I got a problem with him, I'm a real G. I'll tap in and call him. And I don't mean a real G like, because we on the internet. I mean, I'm a real dude. So if I got a problem with this guy, I get on the phone and make that phone call. But I don't, because I don't know the fucking guy.
And first off, shout out to Haterz World. Shout out to Blue Devil for moving like a businessman instead of moving like a child. Because unity don't mean we gotta sit down, barbecue, drink beers, and sing kumbaya. Unity means mutual respect. Unity means I don't have to love you, but I understand the bigger picture. Unity means I see opportunity bigger than ego. That's grown man energy. Now, let's talk about doors. Let me tell you about Gold Toes real quick. There was a time when certain collaborations, certain conversations, certain cross platforms, interactions weren't even possible. Locked, deadbolted, chained up for decades. North and South, that was separate lanes, different politics, different energy, different circles. And then somebody starts unlocking doors. One by one, the bolt lock started coming off. Not forcing anything, not begging, just creating access. Now suddenly you got North reacting to South videos, South reacting to North videos. You got audience crossing over. You got subscribers moving across regional lines. You got views blending that didn't used to happen. That was years of tension slowly being replaced with opportunity. That's business maturity. That's cultural elevation. That's chess, not checkers. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You've got a major southern platform like Haterz World spotlighting northern artists. That's free exposure. That's free traffic. That's cross market visibility. That's somebody opening their audience to you. That's not weakness, that's leverage. Because when one region puts light on another, both sides grow. That's how industries expand. That's how scenes go national. That's how people get real deals. And then You've got somebody from Northern California calling himself the King Buster, BFD, going online and saying, fuck Blue Devil. Let's check it out.
No,
That part.
that wasn't towards you.
No, yeah, fuck Blue Devil, man. It's good.
Oh.
Fuck, you can say whatever you want. It's good.
Straight up.
Now stop. Think about that move. You built visibility off of bridges that were open. You benefited from exposure. You got attention because platforms shared light. And then publicly disrespect the same network that amplified you? That's not power, that's impulse. And impulse is expensive. Let's break down something grown men understand. You never burn bridges in business. Never. You don't have to like someone. You don't have to hang out with someone. You don't have to align politically with someone. But if someone opened a door for you, if someone gave you spotlight, if someone contributed to your momentum, you move respect. That's just the respectful thing to do, because this isn't just about pride. It's about leverage. And here's the deepest part. When you shut a door like that publicly, you're not just shutting it on yourself. You're shutting it on everyone behind you who could have crossed that same bridge. Every young artist, every upcoming content creator, every entrepreneur trying to step outside regional boundaries. You didn't just slam a door, you welded it shut. That's not leadership. That's ego. And let's talk about maturity. Blue Devil, moving with restraint. That's grown man behavior. Showing love across regions, that's executive thinking. Trying to create cross traffic, that's CEO mindset. But when someone responds with public disrespect, that's emotional thinking. And emotional kills opportunity. Let's be honest. The real bosses, the real elites, the real strategic minds, they build bridges quietly. They expand markets. They don't scream online. They don't sabotage relationships. They don't react off pride. They calculate. They understand that culture only grows when doors open wider, not when they slam shut. And let's talk about social media. This is what happens when BFD did that.
But hey, listen, you're damned if you do, and you're damned if you don't. I said I'm gonna start covering everybody, and this is the motherfucking thanks I get, bro. So don't be mad at me when I go back to only covering Southern Cali, Texas, AZ, Arizona, and the 49 other states except for the northern region. Don't be mad at me, bro. Don't say, hey, Blue Devil, why you don't cover northern artists no more? Well, these two guys fucked it up for you, all right? I'll put the spotlight on their podcast, and now they had no jumper, and somehow instead of getting a thank you, I get a fuck you. You know, but listen, at the end of the day,
that's short-term validation, but long-term damage, because the industry watches, platforms watch, other creators watch, and the first thing they think is, if he burned that bridge publicly, what's it going to do to me? Now you're labeled unpredictable. Now you're labeled emotional. Now people move cautious around you. Now people don't want to fuck with you because they think, well, shit, he's going to put me on blast too. That makes your work twice as hard for half the opportunity. That's self-inflicted. And here's the sad reality. It's embarrassing when professionalism has to be taught instead of practiced. It's unfortunate when maturity has to be demonstrated instead of understood. But sometimes leadership shows itself through contrast. Sometimes the grown man is revealed when the other man reacts. Sometimes composure is louder than disrespect. This isn't about North versus South. This isn't about who's harder. This isn't about who's king. This is about elevation. Because when platforms collaborate, culture expands. When artists cross regions, fan bases grow. When media networks support each other, everybody eats. That's ecosystem thinking. That's legacy thinking. The smart ones build. The reactive ones vent. The builders rise. The emotional ones stall. And time always exposes which is which. If you're really about power, you expand lanes. If you're really about leadership, you protect opportunity. If you're really about culture, you think generational. not viral, not trending, generational. And here's the final lesson in all this. Mutual respect doesn't mean friendship. It means understanding value. It means understanding timing. It means understanding that sometimes the smartest move is restraint. Sometimes the strongest move is silence. Sometimes the most gangster move is professionalism. Shout out to the ones building bridges. Shout out to the ones thinking 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead. Shout out to the platforms opening doors instead of guarding them. Because at the end of the day, history doesn't remember who yelled the loudest. It remembers who built something that lasted. And the real ones, they always choose elevation over ego. Respect and salute to all. I'm out.